A common question with Ingenuity Pack and Play is on the Ingenuity Smart and Simple Play Yard mattress. In this video, I cover all you need to know about Ingenuity Playpen mattress, safety, Ingenuity Play Yard's mattress size, and my recommendation for best Ingenuity Smart and Simple Play Yard replacement mattress. I have an Ingenuity Pack and Play, aka Ingenuity Smart and Simple Play Yard, but this video is applicable for most baby pack and plays in the market. So, is it safe to put a mattress in a pack and play? Baby pack and play has flexible sides that can be pressed out. This creates gaps between the side and the added material in which an infant can get trapped. That is why the mattress pads that comes with the pack and play are designed thin, firm and uncomfortable. Consequently, mattress topper should not be used for infants younger than 1 year. However, as the baby grow older and become a toddler, he or she may appreciate the comfort and support of a better mattress. You also would appreciate the longer nap that they take in the more comfortable mattress. I have our top 2 favorite pack and play mattresses. These mattresses meet the safety and comfort standard to ensure a comfortable environment for your little ones. They are both waterproof and Amazon choice. I put the link for both in the description to check them out. The first one is the Hiccupop Pack and Play mattress pad. The Hiccupop Pack and Play mattress pad have a dual-sided feature to provide options as your baby grows. One side is extra firm to provide the necessary support for younger babies, while the other side is softer and more cushioned for toddlers. The 3¼ inches memory foam pad will provide an extra comfy space to sleep. The mattress is waterproof, hypoallergenic, and meets all the safety standards. The cover unzips and is machine washable. I like the removable cover. The second favorite pack and play mattress is Dream on Me 3-inch foam mattress. This mattress cleans up easily with hand wipes or light soap. The pad is antibacterial, hypoallergenic, and waterproof. This mattress is made from quality material and is more budget-friendly in comparison to the Hiccupop mattress. You cannot go wrong with either one, but I strongly encourage you to get fitted sheets for the mattress pad. I have a separate video on Ingenuity Play Yard sheets plus how to assemble and disassemble guides on Ingenuity Playpen. I put the link here and also in the description. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and consider subscribing. Thank you so much for watching and see you next time.